Hello everyone, welcome back to Moments with Lorraine. Quick disclaimer, I am not being paid to review these items. These are based on my own opinions. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on what I received from Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a company that sends you products that are based on the information that you send them based on your lifestyle. Everything in this box is customized to your lifestyle and your skin. So you're not going to receive anything that you cannot use on your face that's going to go to waste, that you're going to end up throwing away. The first box is a base box with your lifestyle products, and it's only $25 a month with 5 full-size products in it. If you want the bigger box, which is called the premium box, it is $35 a month with 6 products in it. What makes this so good is the size of the products in these boxes. So enough babbling, let's get started. This box I'm about to show you is part of the spring collection. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna open up is the Natasha Denona Ayana Eyeshadow Palette. And it is worth $48. $48 for eyeshadow. We're not paying that, are we? And this, look at all those. That's some great colors. These are colors I would wear. Beautiful colors, nice nude colors. $48 it's worth. Wow. The second product is Icy Sherbet Primer by Touch in Soul. And this is, the suggested price is $32. Wow. Remember now, the whole box is just $25, and this one product is $32. The eyeshadow was $48. So let's get this opened. Look at that. The packaging itself is just beautiful. And this is the primer. I can get that off. Look at that. It smells so good. That's nice. Especially if you're going to put something on your face, you want it to smell good and to be light. You know what? Let's see what the texture is like. I'm just going to rub it, some of it in my hand. Ooh. I like how that feels. Very nice. This third product is by Georgette Klinger, and it's a vitamin C mask. And let's see how this looks. Vitamin C mask for all skin types. Oh, got the little pump. Let's see. Guess I should have primed it first, huh? Okay, let's try it. Look at that. So it is a vitamin C clay mask, and it says you're going to leave it on for, let me see, 10 to 15 minutes on your face, and use it 2 to 3 times per week. It doesn't have much of a smell. I can't wait to use this because I love to use clay masks. So that's your third one. Imagine that, $36. That's what it's worth. This fourth product is mascara, and the suggested price of $18, and it is by Qveen Studios Dragon Lash Mascara. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Let's see just how thick this is. Oh, see that brush? Nice. I love these kind of brushes instead of all the big bushy kind. I like this kind. It just goes on neater and you just have more control on your lashes. Wow, $18. Not bad, not bad at all. Last but not least, the Kaale Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set with a recommended price of $18. And you get 2 of these tweezers in here. Oh, I should have opened this first, but yeah, One is really, I don't know if you can see that, the really skinny one. And then you've got the regular tweezer with the flat head on this side. So quite the bargain for all these products. So I got all these full-size name brand beauty products for $25 a month. This box with all these products alone in here is worth $137. But I didn't pay that. $25, that's it. I also received this other box a few months ago, but didn't do a video on it. And I don't know why I waited so long, because look, it even has the shamrock from when I received it. So that tells you I received it back in March. But I'm still gonna show you what I received in this very first box, even though, you know, I don't know why I didn't do a video when I first got it. So I'm gonna do it now. So the first item out of this first box that I didn't do a video on that I should have is called the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. And it is worth a manufactured price of $39. Wow. And it is a soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals and lasts in hydration without clogging pores. And that's what we want. We don't want our pores clogged. So let's see how this one looks. Isn't that a cute little bottle? Look at that. And who is it made by? Glow Recipe. Is that who it's made by? Yeah, Glow Recipe. And, oh my gosh, it smells like you could eat it. It smells like ice cream. It smells good. Okay, and the second item out of my box of tricks from Boxycharm is, let's see, this is the Lime Crime Venus 3 Eyeshadow Palette. And let's get this open. Let's see what's going on. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at those colors. Oops, I don't want to show a glow of the ring light. But these are definitely colors I will wear. Not a waste of my money at all. Very pretty, shimmery and matte. Very nice. This third product is by Kaale Cosmetics. It's Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. And your lips will not have a sticky feeling, it says. So that's that. Let's open it and see how this hydrating lip oil. Oh, look at that. That's huge. That is fat. Wow. Let's open it. Yes. Look how big that is. That's huge. That smells good too. Wow. So there's that. Okay, this fourth product is $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel. This formula sets in seconds with a gentle hold and keep your eyebrows in place and on point. And that's what we need. We need our eyebrows to be on point. So any of you ladies with naturally luscious eyebrows, this will help to keep your eyebrows, like we just said, on point. But those of us who have to do our, fill in our eyebrows every day with pencil, can use this afterwards, and it'll stop your eyebrows from smudging and have them, just looking fresh all day long. And this is worth $18. Wow. And remember now, we get the whole box for $25. Great deal. Last but not least, Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. So after you have applied all your makeup, then you're gonna take this spray. Don't hold it too close because it will make your makeup smudge. So hold it about 12 inches? No, about 10 inches, and spray it. And just, lightly spray it on your face, let it dry, and it will set your makeup throughout the day. So no smudging going on, and help to, keep down shine also. And this is worth $22, full size. So worth it. And seeing this was my first order, it came with a surprise gift. And it is called the Violet Voss Olive You Forever. Olive You Forever. And it is eyeshadow, some more eyeshadows. Look at that. The nice nude colors. Colors I would definitely, oh, I love this one right here. It's like a shimmery, almost like a silverish gray. These are colors I will definitely wear. So yeah, so that's the bonus. In the very first box, you get a free surprise gift. So yeah, so this is Boxycharm. So hopefully I have enlightened you about Boxycharm. There's a lot of other companies out there also that does this, but I thought I would go with Boxycharm. I could have easily walked out of the mall spending $350 for all this, but this is just $25 a month. Not bad at all. If you have been receiving Boxycharm, let me know in the comments below what you think, and let me know what kind of products you received. And this is so worth it. I will use all of this. And no little rinky-dinky sample bottles. These are full-size products that I love and will use. So Boxycharm really came through. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Give a thumbs up and subscribe, and this helps YouTube to notice me even more and to help my little channel grow. Until next time, you all take care and stay safe. Bye.